Today, I'm going to teach you how to use mentions in Microsoft Teams. This is a powerful feature that helps you grab someone's attention in a busy channel or ensure your message reaches the right people without getting lost in the conversation flow. Let's start with the basics. When you're ready to send a message in Teams, look at the text field where you normally type your messages. To mention a specific person, simply type the @ symbol, which is called the @ sign. As soon as you type it, you'll notice that Teams starts to show you a list of people you can mention. After typing the @ sign, begin inputting the name of the person you want to mention. You don't need to type their full name, just start typing and Teams will show you matching results. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear in a drop-down menu. Simply click on the correct person's name from the list or continue typing until their name is highlighted and press enter. This action will insert their name as a mention in your message. Now, here's what makes this so effective. When you mention someone using the @ sign, that person receives a notification specifically calling out your message. This is especially useful in active channels where dozens of messages might be flowing throughout the day. The mention ensures they won't miss your message, and it shows up distinctly in their activity feed, making it easy for them to find and respond to you directly. But what if you need to reach everyone in the channel at once? Teams has a solution for that too. Instead of typing individual names, you can simply type the @ sign followed by the word everyone. So it would look like @everyone in your text field. This powerful option will notify every single member of that channel about your message. It's particularly useful when you have an important announcement, an urgent update, or information that affects the entire team. However, use this feature thoughtfully. Since it notifies everyone, it should be reserved for messages that truly require everyone's attention rather than routine updates that might only concern a few people. And there you have it. You've learned how to use mentions in Microsoft Teams to communicate more effectively with your team members. Whether you're reaching out to a specific colleague or broadcasting to everyone, mentions ensure your message gets the attention it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.